Hello everyone, so this is the PCF type of water electrolysis device. So the tools provided includes an electronic scale and the measuring cups. Our raw material is just salt and 5 liters of water, preferable salt water or filtered water. And what we need to do now is that we need to take the cover off. We need to make sure the black label is pointed in front so that it won't be any leak when we pour the water into the machines. So now let's pour the salt water into the machines. We need to be extra careful to avoid any splash. Right. After that, we will put the cover back, seal it properly. Then the next step is that we need to press the on button and wait until the machine is fully on. And then we'll press on the start button and we will wait for 30 minutes and the electrolyzed water will be done.